Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with help to remove malicious pop-up windows by the site downloads@blocker.com. Downloads@blocker.com is a dangerous site that targets Google Chrome and other browsers. Basically, these pop-ups to promote the installation of unwanted browser extensions that may actually function as adware. If you see these pop-ups by downloads@blocker.com, you need to disregard whatever they tell you, and you need to stay away from downloading whatever they promote. So leave that page, and also I recommend you to check your available browser extensions by going to the menu, extensions, manage extensions, and if you find anything suspicious here on the extensions list, get rid of that suspicious stuff. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and then start thoroughly investigating your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.